Alright, so this video is going to be about writing equations of parallel lines. So before we actually start the writing the equation parts, let's make sure we remember what we need to about parallel lines. So when we talk about two lines that are parallel, we mean two lines that are never going to intersect. They stay the same distance apart at all times. So if I were to draw a picture, that picture might look something like this. So what we know about those two lines is that if they're parallel, then that means that they're going to have the same slope. And remember, M is the letter that we use to stand for slope when we're talking about things in slope-intercept form. And so y equals mx plus b, that is slope-intercept form. So in slope-intercept form, the M is the slope and the b is the y-intercept. So if I'm telling you that two lines are parallel, then that means you automatically know that they have the same slope. So for example, if I gave you these two equations, y equals 3x plus 4 and y equals 3x minus 2, I know that these two equations would be lines that are parallel if I graph them because they both have the same number for the slope. They both have a 3. Okay, if I gave you two other equations, like y equals 1/4 x plus 1, y equals 1/4 x minus 3. They both have 1/4 as their slope, so therefore they must be parallel lines. If those two slope numbers are not exactly the same, like for example, if I made one of those a negative and the other one was positive, then they would not be parallel lines. Okay, so they have to have the exact same slope. So we're going to use that important information